You cut me down a tree and brought it back to me, and that's what made me see where I was going wrong. You put me on a shelf and kept me for yourself. I can only blame myself, you can only blame me. And I could write a song 100 miles long. Well, that's where I belong, and you belong with me. And I could write it down or spread it all around, get lost and then get found, or swallowed in the sea. Put me on a line and hung me out to dry, and darling, that's when I decide to go see. You cut me down to size and opened up my eyes, made me realize what I could not see. And I could write a book, the one you'll say that shook the world, and then it took it back from me. And I could write it down or spread it all around, get lost and then get found, and you'll come back to me, not swallowed in the sea. Not swallowed in the sea. Yeah, you belong with me, not swallowed in the sea.
Your eyes can be your enemies. I said, well, hell is so close and heaven's out of reach. I ain't giving up quite yet, I got too much to lose. Hold me down, sweet love, little girl. Hold me down, sweet love, I will carry you home. Hold me down, sweet love, little girl. Hold me down. the same mistakes that put my mama in her grave. I don't want to be alone. Hold me down, sweet and low, little girl. Hold me down, sweet and low, I will carry you home. Hold me down, sweet and low, little girl. Hold me down, and I'll carry you home.
It is the evening of the day. I sit and watch the children play. Smiling faces I can see, but not for me. I sit and watch as tears go by. My riches can't buy everything. I want to hear the children sing. All I hear is the sound of rain falling on the ground. I sit and watch as tears go by. It is the evening of the day. I sit and watch the children play, doing things I used to do. They think are new. I sit and watch as tears go by.